So, Mayor, what a successful summer we have had. We've announced 3 new airlines, multiple new international and domestic cities.
You're killing it.
But you know what? As I sit here in this restaurant, I just think we still don't have service to our #1 unserved international destination. I know it's one of your favorite cities and certainly mine.
Yeah.
Paris.
That's crazy. I don't know why we haven't been able to land that one.
I don't either.
Bonjour, Monsieur Hancock. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but this urgent message just arrived for you.
Merci, garçon. What a nice little airplane.
Really nice, yeah.
Kim, this appears to be a letter from Norwegian Air CEO Bjorn Schuh. Did you know, I just read this, they were just named the world's best low-cost, long-haul airline?
That's well-deserved. I didn't know that.
Absolutely. Let's read the letter says.
Okay.
Dear Mayor Hancock and Ms. Day, I am pleased to share with you the exciting news that Norwegian Air will begin flying nonstop between Denver and Paris.
No way.
Starting in 2018. The flight will operate twice weekly, year-round. I hear springtime in Paris is lovely, and I look forward to celebrating with you, Ben.
That's amazing.
Enjoy the champagne and baguettes. Sincerely, Bjorn. Oh my, we were just talking about this.
Mayor, that's just amazing. I think we've tried to get this flight for, what, a decade now?
Oh,
this is a game changer for us. C'est magnifique.
Denver is truly a world-class city. You know, congratulations to you and Denver International Airport, and thank you, Bjorn and Norwegian Air.
Thank you, Bjorn, and thank you, Mayor, for your leadership. This is amazing.